Hello everyone, this is Johnny and I'm going to show you how Aquarela VORTX Big Data Platform works in a very simple way. First of all, let me show you the dataset we are going to process. Let's have a look at those lines. We have the regions of Switzerland and here the rates, the fertility rates for each agriculture and all the numbers that were gathered by the Swiss government. What VORTX is going to do is going to process all those numbers and find the patterns inside of it. Alright? So let's go ahead and see how it works. First of all, we go to the website, here, vortex.io. Press login, and then here you can upload the file. I'm gonna choose this one, which is Swiss fertility, and then I'll give a number. For example, number analysis number 1. Alright, upload it. I'm gonna upload it twice because I can do 2 different analyses out of it with the same data. Let's see, Swiss fertility again. Alright, this is number 2 using discover. Okay, seems okay. I will upload it, and here comes the magic. You select the first one and then we go to the organizer. It will find all the patterns and will organize and bring in a very easy way. And the second one I'm gonna process as well. So once this is done and the process has finished, we can go for datascope visualization. And let's have a look at what organizer shows. Here it is. What does it say? It says that the pattern has a sharpness, how strong it is, how confident it is, in 65%. And inside of those numbers, there are predominantly 8 groups with those characteristics here. Alright, so what does that mean? We can say that if we click in this group, the most typical region, according to those factors like fertility, agriculture, education, and so on, represent 31% of the country. And we can even go further and see what is the less typical region in the country. And passing through the mouse here, we can see the differences and compare values. For example, agriculture. So we see typically, or the most typical scenario in Switzerland is agriculture or less agriculture. For instance, let's see this group if this is agriculture. Not really. We can add education and see how this variable behaves. Let's see how it behaves comparing groups. The darker the group is, the more distinct this region is. And then you have the degree of distinctiveness. And you can play around with those values, and you see the datascope arranges all the variables in the same view in a very intuitive way. This serves for large-scale decision-making when you have very complex set of variables and you want to discover where the key factors are and how they are grouped together. Alright, that was it for the organizer. Let's go to the Discover and see what is the difference here. Once we have added in the second column here fertility, it will have a look at all those variables and see which of them have correlation or strong correlation to this, and will discard automatically the ones who are not in there. And then it will find the scenarios which the results are good or bad. For instance, let's have a look at what it has found. In this scenario, we have education here. Let's select the darker side. So fertility behaves like this, with 99% of the whole regions. But then, if we go to this region, we have very low fertility rates. And then it says that education has a strong correlation to this and see how education is in this region. Wow, education here is very high, and here education is a bit lower and a bit more erratic. So with this function, you can easily set several factors, variables, and analyze which scenarios are better for sales, equipment maintenance. You can discover what are the key factors that has implications in the maintenance of your operation. You can identify the factors that improve or reduce the degree for a certain no-show problems, for instance. Identify the key factors responsible for disease, and so on. If you have any more questions, let us know. And below in this video there are some more information. Thank you very much.